Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, September 4th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold, I definitely think we're still in a 1, 2, 3. We are pretty much at that 161.8, but that's usually just a minimum target for a wave 3. Wave 3s actually can go way, way, way further than that. It does seem pretty likely that it would go down and make a wave 4 and probably back up for a wave 5 to end this trend at some point in the near future. Going down to the weekly time frame, this is where I see a wave 1, a wave 2, and this is all subdivisions of a wave 3. So this is like a 1 of 3, 2 of 3, 3 of 3, 4 of 3, and this is likely a wave 5 of 3. I still think we have at least one more push up to get us to the 61% Fibonacci extension, which is the extension of wave 3 projected out to wave 4, which is the wave 5 Fibonacci extension for a projection for a wave 5. So going down to the daily time frame, we are going down right now, and I'm not really convinced that this move down is over yet. I think that is actually probably a 1, 2, maybe like a wave 3, a wave 4, and we're actually in the wave 5 now. But it actually kind of looks to me like it's going to try to go down a little bit and then probably go up one more time to finish off this wave 5 of wave 5. And like I said on the higher time phase, a wave 3 does not have to stop at the 161.8. It potentially could go way, way beyond that. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, I think this is going to turn into a 3-3-5 pattern. 1, 2, 3 waves down, 1, 2, 3 waves up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down for probably like a flat pattern. Then it will probably make another attempt on the uptrend. But I'm definitely paying attention to these Fibonacci retracement levels. If we do get a significant bounce, especially if we get a break of structure at any one of these Fib levels, I definitely would take it as a long. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, we have, boy, it looks like gold is cranking down this morning. We have a Fibonacci retracement on here. If you watched last night's video, you know that I said that I was looking for an engulfing move at a Fibonacci level, which is pretty much exactly what happened. This move up is a little bit more like a trend, so it's kind of like a motive wave correction. But boy, that definitely looks like the end of a correction, and it probably is going to go down at least to the 61% Fibonacci around the 2470. That's the next area that I would probably be paying attention to, potentially for a reversal. But until we actually get a break of structure to the upside, I would definitely be looking for shorts if you trade the 1 hour time frame and below. Just keep in mind that this is very likely all correction on the daily and 4 hour time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.